It is the evening of November 20, and as you can see by the light in the garage, it must be pretty dark out already for one shop light to emanate that much light. Anyway, today we started with no trusses over the front side of the garage, and we managed to put the trusses up, get our shear panels put in, get the clips and anchoring done to the truss itself. Then we managed to get our fascia put on the front, not on this side here. We did get fascia all the way up there before we ended up taking down our scaffolding. Very high. I got to be the guy doing the nailing and the gluing way up top. Pretty high. Let's see, what else? Looks like I need to clean my lens. So we can see just slightly that there is a pitch difference. Whoops. There's a pitch difference between the overhang of the garage and this pitch. This pitch is 6/12. This one is 5.5/12. My truss guy told me that it would be unlikely I'd be able to see it, but it looks like we can. So we trimmed the tails underneath the trusses back to about 9.5 inches. Everything looks pretty good, pretty excited about this. And let me walk through. I don't know that I've done a video since we got all of our sheathing done on the other side. Frankie and I have also been prepping. The last, I'm gonna spin really quickly. We have been prepping for where the last post goes. There's the bracket. Here is the actual metal piece that goes in underneath. There's a hole, and it's actually epoxied in place. I'm not sure that's really going to be the way it's going to be done, but this gives me the opportunity, since we're not really ready to put it in yet, not in the next couple of days, to see what I really need to do as far as building up. Actually thinking about putting a concrete base straight even with here, and then re-drilling and epoxying so that the wood wouldn't be below water level or below stone level, which is effectively the same as below water level. So it has been, well, for months it's been very busy every day. So we actually have our roof sheathing completed up top. It's actually starting to look like a real building. We still have all of the truss work to do in the truck port, but on Friday we have the roofers coming again. They're going to put the paper on top of the upper roof and the front parts that we are actually completing tomorrow and what's been done today. That is where we are.